Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will prepare essentials and take the first actionable steps now. Make sure your Firebase project has matching Android package name, iOS bundle ID, and SHA-1. Install Firebase Core and Firebase messaging in PubSpec. YAML, run Flutter pubget. Place Google services. JSON into Android/app and Google Service Info. Plist into iOS/runner. Then configure platform files. Apply Google Services plugin for Android and enable Firebase in Xcode for iOS. Once done, rebuild the app so native layers pick up your changes. Next, implement messaging code so your app actually receives notifications. Initialize Firebase in main, await Firebase. Initialize app, before run app, because messaging needs the core ready. On iOS, request UN User Notification Center permissions and set notification presentation options for foreground alerts. Register a top-level background message handler and wire Firebase messaging. On message and on message, opened app to update UI or navigation. Once listeners exist, test by sending a data or notification message from the Firebase console. Finish by validating delivery and adding resilience. Build and run on a real device. Obtain the FCM token with Firebase messaging. Get token and confirm your server or console uses that token. For iOS, upload APN's key/certificate in Firebase settings, and for Android, verify Google services. JSON matches the app. Test sending both notification and data payloads. Observe on message and background handler behavior. If messages fail, confirm network, token validity, and that Firebase and platform credentials match. Rebuild after credential fixes and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.